Hey guys, my name is Marcella Dominguez, and today I have a very special video because I don't typically do videos like this, but I am inviting you inside of a potential Airbnb, and I want you to tell me whether I should list it, what tweaks I should make, and whether it's better saved for me or an office or an Airbnb. Now, planning the inside design of this house was actually really fun because, well, who doesn't love picking interior features? And so I wanted something that was going to feel a little bit beachy, but also a little bit soft. So I didn't want to go hardcore, full on wicker, wood, blue, white, sand, starfish. But because it is a back house and just because I really like the softness of a light blue, I thought, oh, this needs to feel relaxing, inviting, peaceful at home. And what's really great about this back house in particular is that there are a lot of trees around us, which I'll also show you in a minute. And so every morning and even throughout the day, in the evenings right now, you can hear birds, you can see squirrels once in a while. There's just a lot of nature going on back here. Sometimes you'll see butterflies. So anyway, whenever you feel like you really want to kind of be one with nature, I guess you can just go ahead and open up those sliding doors right there and keep the screen doors closed so that the bugs don't go in. Not that there are that many bugs here, but anyway, so you can keep the screen doors closed and then so you can hear the birds. See, can you hear them? And then of course you have a view of the pool. So I mean, it's kind of a perfect office space. I mean, it could definitely be a multi-use space. It could be a gym. It could just be a place where you relax. It could be a place where you host a little party. But that's why I am on here discussing this with you, because I want to know and I want to get some feedback from some of you who have had Airbnbs in the past and let me know what you think. What should I do with this space? Designing the outside of the space was really fun too, because I said, oh, I would love some screen doors or, a sliding door here in the front because I just want to be able to see outside and walk outside from the grass directly into the house. And then, of course, the symmetrical windows and then some windows at the top of the doors. Originally, I had wanted windows to go all across the top, but I let the contractor know a little too late in the process. So we were only able to put the two windows there above the screen doors, which allows for additional light. And you'll see when we walk in that those same two windows are positioned in the back of the back house to also let light in. What do you guys think of the exterior? So I should add that part of the reason I'm also out here recording this video is because my resolution for this spring, summer is to get more sun, to be in the sun, directly in the sun, absorbing the sun's rays. So here I am killing two birds with one stone. And so that's another reason why I thought it'd be great to do this Airbnb video right now, because then I can soak in the rays while I tell you a little bit about the back house. So here's a better idea of what it looks like from the outside. Now let's check out the inside. So keep in mind that I'm just giving you guys a glimpse, okay? So a lot of this might change in the next couple of days, in the next couple of weeks. So don't hold it against me that some things are out of place, some things don't look the way they should. This is just for the sake of you all catching a little glimpse of what it's going to be. So for example, I know I want to hide these wires right here because, well, who wants to be looking at those wires? This half moon table is going to go, but I do like the idea of having a little table right here, or maybe there should be a dresser. What do you think? Should this be a table or a dresser? Let me know. This table right here, I was really loving the size because I feel like it fits perfectly right here. I wasn't necessarily loving the finish of the table, but I actually put like a white runner on here and then it blended a little bit better with that space. We've already used this space for a little party we had a couple of months back, but we try to, sort of stay maybe a little vintage vibe, vintage beach vibe. I'm going to go ahead and take all of this out, of course, but what do you think of the color scheme? We used, some of these glass tiles that felt very beachy, but soft at the same time. Some birch shelving right there. Here's your little oven so you can bake cookies for me. If you ever stay at this Airbnb, just kidding guys, but I do love chocolate chip cookies. You have the microwave, the fridge, just a little place to sit. We're just getting some stuff set up here, like this garbage can is new, deciding whether I like it or not. I don't know, little things like that. It's like I want things to match. I want them to look good. These two tables here are probably going to go. We're just setting them here for now because we needed somewhere to put some stuff that we're working on. So yeah, what do you guys think? Here's the view from the other side. This is the door we just walked in. And then again, we spin this way. So right when you walk in, what you're going to see is you're going to see this, little bed, which is, I can't decide if we want to have a day bed here or if we should incorporate a couch, like a sofa bed, or if we should just keep it a bed. I don't know. What do you guys think? But so there's the space. Now, what is behind door number 1? Let me show you. It's the restroom. Da, 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 da. Like I said, we're still kind of, we're still setting up the trash can, curtain, all of that. What you think, guys? I picked this blue glass tile for back there. And turn on the lights. Yeah, so there I am. What do you guys think? What would you change? What would you add? Give me some ideas. Should I keep this as an office or should this be an Airbnb for passive income? Passive Airbnb strategy. I mean, Airbnb isn't really that passive anyway. It's more active. Unless you hire a company who's going to manage everything for you. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. That's why I'm asking you guys for your opinions. Tell me what you think. So remember, I told you those 2 windows are inside also to let some light in. So see, when you walk in, you have a little air conditioner, which works really, really well, by the way. You have some fans. Then you have your 2 windows, which I like. I love those little windows, actually. They're not that little. They're actually pretty long. Second fan. So there you go. I have heard horror stories about how people misuse property, steal stuff, take stuff. And of course, it's more work when you have an Airbnb because then you have to find a management company who's going to come out and clean and service the property unless you're going to do it yourself. In this case, it might be me, but is that something that I want to be doing? So that's why I'm on here, because I want to get your opinions. What have you done? What do you think works best for you, especially if you're a beginner? Because I feel like a lot of beginners are going to watch this video. Beginners that are considering doing Airbnb for passive income or active income. And tell me if you even like this video because, I know that this is a little bit of a segue from the usual trademark. And if you want me to create more videos like this, but in exchange, I do ask for you guys to leave your comments down below so that I know what you're thinking and know whether or not I should continue to make videos like these. Okay, but wait, can you hear? See, that's the beauty of being out here. Listen. See, so amazing. Okay, guys, if you want to see what other ideas I have up my sleeve, or if you want to delve a little bit more into what else I'm doing, make sure to catch that video right there. But first, don't leave this video without leaving me a comment down below. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.